So let us do some questions on atomic radius. So see this first question. Among the following, the isoelectronic species are. So what is meant by isoelectronic species? They should have same number of electrons. So let us see. So in the neon, the number of electrons present in the neon are 10, whereas in the argon, the number of electrons present are 18. So this is not the answer. Next, argon is having 18 and magnesium will have 12 electrons. Whenever there is a positive charge, we have to remove electrons. So 12 electrons are there, plus 2 means we have to remove plus 2 electrons, or 2 electrons. So this becomes 10 electrons. So this is also not the answer. Oxygen. Oxygen is having 8 electrons and this is oxide ion. So we have to add 2 electrons. So 8 plus 2 is 10 electrons and neon is also having 10 electrons. So this is the answer. So the correct answer for the first question is it is C. Next, if you see the second question, the ion with the smallest atomic radius, and the above the below given options all are nothing but isoelectronic species. This is having 10 electrons, Mg plus 2 is having 10 electrons, Na plus also 10 electrons, F minus is 10 electrons. When isoelectronic species is given, more the positive charge of the ion, smaller is the size. So here the answer for this is it is magnesium. So always the cation size will be smaller, and for the isoelectronic species also, more the positive charge, smaller is the size. If they ask larger size, more the negative charge, larger is the size. So here the answer is B. Next, atomic radius of fluorine and neon in angstrom units are respectively given by. So atomic radius generally from left to right, the atomic radius will decrease. So if you take fluorine and if you take uh, neon, so actually the expected size is neon should have smaller size than the fluorine. But in the neon there is van der Waals radius, so the size of fluorine is less than the neon. The expected is neon should have smaller size, but neon is having larger size than the fluorine. So based on this, you can see the fluorine will have smaller size. So this is 0.72, and neon, the second option, will be having larger value, more value, 1.6. So this A is the answer. So here we don't know actually the exact values. You can just take this point, that is the size of neon is more than fluorine. So the size of neon is more than fluorine. So this is fluorine 0.72 and this is neon 1.6. So we have taken this third option. Oh, sorry, option A. Next, the metallic radius is dash than the covalent radius. So always remember, van der Waals radius is more than metallic radius, and metallic radius is more than covalent radius. So here metallic radius is nothing but it is larger. So larger than the covalent radius. So option B. Atomic radius is expressed in. So you can take any of this. It can be given in nanometer or it is angstroms or picometer. So all the above. Next, covalent radius is used for. Covalent radius is used for mostly non-metals. So metals will be having metallic radius. So here the answer is it is A. Next, the correct order of atomic radius is. Um, so different ions are given, the correct order. So let us see sodium, beryllium, lithium. So let us write these elements in a proper order. So first element is lithium, and below lithium we have sodium, and beryllium is here. So in the periodic table, this is one a group element, and this is two a group element. So is asking the correct order, and among these three, sodium is having larger size. So first option is wrong. So sodium will have larger size, but here he gave sodium is having a smaller size. So this is wrong. Next, let us see this example. Sodium, beryllium, and potassium. Okay, sodium and potassium is below sodium, and beryllium will be here. This is second period, third period, fourth period. And among these, potassium will have larger size. Okay, so this is right. And after potassium, sodium will have larger size. But in the option he gave beryllium. So second option is also wrong. Next, let us see third option. Second is also wrong. So this is the right answer. So this is isoelectronic species. And in this isoelectronic species, more the negative charge, larger is the size. So answer is C. So answer is C. Next, the distance between center of nucleus and the outermost shell when the electrons are present is called as, you can take it as atomic radius. So this is C. Next, which of the following is the largest in size? The same thing, you can guess. These are all isoelectronic species. So larger size means more you have to have, you must have more negative charge. So answer is B. If the question is asked smaller size, then answer is Na plus. Next, beryllium plus 2 is isoelectronic with which of the following ion? So beryllium plus 2. So normally beryllium will have 4 electrons. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. So this is having 4 electrons. And in these 4 electrons, 2 electrons are lost. So beryllium plus 2 means 2 electrons. Na plus means it will be having 10 electrons. Lithium plus means hydrogen, helium, lithium, 3 electrons. Plus means 1 electron is lost. So this is the answer, 2 electrons. And this is also having 10 electrons, and this is having no electrons. So isoelectronic means same electrons. So answer is B. So these are some questions related to atomic size.